Hello everyone and welcome to Computer Tech TV. I am Rick Arter, as most of you know. For any of you who don't, well, I'm Rick Arter, thanks. Nice to meet you. Today I want to show you guys, this is a 5 1/4 inch, it actually takes three 5 1/4 inch drives on the Antec 900. Now this is an old original model Antec 900 piece here, but I believe they still use relatively the same design. And I see a lot of people who mount 120mm fans in the three 5 1/4 inch drive bays. And I had this one day, and I actually used the whole cage inside of here. It actually will fit, but it really wasn't good for the application that I wanted. So I removed the cage and figured maybe I can put a fan in here, you know, and install this. And actually, if you look through one of my older videos, I can't remember which one it is, but I have an older video where I was testing the HRO2, and I actually have a 120mm fan mounted right here. So what you do is you get yourself one of these. I mean, I'm sure that, you could easily use zip ties, but this kind of gives it more, if you mount it here like this, it kind of gives it a cleaner look because it's black. I mean, you could paint it any color you want, but I think it gives it a nice look. And you just screw the fan in, and then you just remove your covers, or for my case I just remove the whole front panel. It's a lot easier because the covers come out backwards. And the way I have this set up, I'm actually going to switch this back to here and this back to here. It does work out better for cable management the way I have it, because the wires actually go up and go into a hole back here and then come out over there. Yeah, but you want to have your three spaces here, and this will work in any case. Since they got the notches here, it should, if there's little notches in your thing, it should fit in. If not, I'm sure there's a way you could easily attach this. But for people who have just, you know, the bottom here for this to sit on, you just take it and mount your fan in there. If you want to have it intake, exhaust, whichever way, I suggest intake. And you just take it, and if you want it up here, you just slide it into right about here and hook up your wire, and it shouldn't move. I mean, you could even put some electrical tape or maybe even two-sided tape around there to keep it there. But when I had it mounted right here, I even had it a little bit tilted to go towards the RAM slots and the chipset and everything. And I mean, it didn't vibrate even with the fan on full speed. It was a Cooler Master R4 90 CFM fan, so I mean, they get going when they're pushing 12 volts. And it didn't vibrate or anything, and it looked really nice, I think, in the case, because I had it mounted up right here. And you could even, if you had more than one of these, which I have three, I have two other cages and then this extra one here. And what you could actually do is have one mounted here if you wanted, and you could even remove your, well, depending on how your case is, you can maybe even remove these and just have this, maybe put a grill on it and then have it like this, you know, mounted up flush with this. But I suggest just doing it behind, especially if you have filters like I do, or just running the single one. I mean, you could do two in here if you want to do a push-pull. But yeah, guys, that is my video I wanted to make for you guys. So if this helped anybody, then good deal. If there's anything else you guys would like to comment on, please let me know. If you thought this was a great video, please give me a thumbs up. And check out my channel and subscribe if you haven't already for the latest video updates. Talk to you guys later.